Welcome back programmers in the second video of data structure series. In the previous video we talked about what is data structure and why we need to use the data structure. In this video we are going to talk about some basic theories of data structure. Now as you know, the data structure name identifies itself that organizing the data in memory. There are many ways of organizing the data in the memory as we have already seen in our previous series like NumPy, Django, SQL, MySQL. All of that series link is in the description. Please check it out. Now to learn data structure, you have to know the basic knowledge of C and Python programming language. If you don't, link is in the description. Please check out the basic of Python and C programming language. Now arrays in C language is nothing but the collection of memory element in which data is stored sequentially, one after another. In other words, we can say that array store the element in a continuous manner. This organization of data is done with the help of an array of data structure. There are also other ways to organizing the data in memory. The data structure is not any programming language like C, C++, Python. It is a set of algorithms that we can use in any programming language to structure the data in the memory. Now to structure the data in memory, n number of algorithms were processed and all of the algorithms are known as abstract data types. These abstract data types are the set of rules. In this image, as you can see, first of all algorithms, then abstract data types, and then set of rules. Now the question is, how many types of data structure are there? So the simple answer is 2. Primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. Now what is primitive data structure? The primitive data structure are primitive data types. For example, character, float, double and pointer are the primitive data structure that can hold a single value. Now as you know, arrays, linked list, trees and graph, they need a multiple value in that single variable. So the second type is non-primitive data structure. The non-primitive data structure is divided into two types. The first one is linear data structure and the second one is non-linear data structure. Now what is linear data structure? The arrangement of a data in a sequential manner is known as linear data structure. The data structure used for this purpose are arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues. In this data structure, one element is connected to only one another element in a linear form. Again, in a linear form. In this image, as you can see, the linear data structure graphical way. Now when one element is connected to the n number of elements known as non-linear data structure. The best example is trees and graph. In this case, the elements are arranged in the random manner. For example, if you know the trees have a multiple branches and multiple leaves. It's not a linear. It got lots of things going on. Now data structure can also be classified as static data structure and dynamic data structure. Now what is static data structure? Static data structure is a type of data structure where the size is allocated at the compile time. Therefore, the maximum size is fixed. Now the dynamic data structure is a type of data structure where the size is allocated at the runtime. The above one was the compile time and this one is the runtime. Therefore, the maximum size is flexible. Now there are advantage and disadvantage of both data structure. For example, in the static data structure, you can't add more than fixed size number of element in the value in the container. Now in the dynamic data structure, you don't know the perfect size of that particular container. Now when we talk about the data structure, the major operation is searching, sorting, insertion, updation and deletion. Now I know you are thinking, which data structure? A data structure is a way of organizing the data so that it can be used efficiently, as you know. Here we have used the word efficiently, which in terms of both the space and time. For example, a stack is an ADT abstract data type, which uses either arrays or linked list data structure for the implementation. Therefore, we connected all of the data and conclude that we require some data structure to implement a particular ADT. An advanced system requires a lots of efficiency. Therefore, an ADT tells what is to be done and data structure tells us how it is to be done. In other words, we can say that ADT gives us the blueprint while data structure provides the implementation part. Now the question arises, how can one get to know which data structure to be used for a particular ADT? Again, ADT is nothing but the abstract data type. As the different data structure can be implemented in a particular entity, but the different implementation are compared for the time and space. For example, the stack entity can be implemented by both arrays and linked list. Suppose the array is providing time efficiency while the linked list providing space efficiency. So the one which is the best suited for the current user required will be selected. Now, what is the advantage of data structure? There are three main advantage of data structure, which is nothing but the efficiency, reusability and abstraction. Now, efficiency is nothing but if the choice of data structure for implementing a particular edit is proper, it makes the program very efficient in terms of time and space. Now, what is reusability? In data structure, the data structure provides reusability, means that multiple client program can use the particular data structure. Now, abstraction, the data structure specified by an ADT, abstract data structure abstract data type, also provides the level of abstraction. The client cannot see the internal working of the data structure, so it does not have to worry about the implementation part. The client can only see the interface. For example, if you search anything on Google, you can see only the output. You can see whole implementation and whole logic of that particular program. You just see the output. Let's say if you search all-in-one code on Google, you will only get the particular output for all-in-one, all of the links related to all-in-one code, but you can see the output with the implementation and with the logic. So that was the basic theory of the data structure. Now in this series we have to know all of the basic stuff about the Python basic and C basic. If you don't know what is arrays, so please check out my arrays series, link is in the description, because arrays and linked list is the very important part for data structure. Now I will teach you the linked list, tree, graph and so on, but you have to know the basic knowledge of only arrays and basic Python and C. So that is it for today's guys. In the previous video we talked about what is data structure. In this series we are going to cover all of the topic related to the data structure from basic to advanced, and in this video we talked about the theory of data structure and how many data structure are there. So in the next video we are going to jump on to the implementation part. So that is it for today's guys. If you like this video, just like this video, share this video with other programmer, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code.